Manor. Sorry there's no video today. I was working on some projects last night. I am going to start painting. I've been dying to get a paintbrush in my hand and start changing some of the colors and making the house mine. So the first, the workers are here going into the basement. Okay, sorry about that. The workers were here and Bumper Snoot was making sure I knew that there was somebody strange out in the yard. So anyway, as you can see all the tape around, we taped everything off to start painting. The color in here that I'm going with is Benjamin Moore's Grassy Green. This is the sunroom, so it gets really, really bright in here during the day. So the color on the walls now, when it's really bright, kind of looks like white. As a matter of fact, I don't even know if you can see it in the video. But it's going to be a lot deeper, and so I think it's going to look nice. So I'm going to do this room because, as you can see, the ceilings are taller, and I didn't want to get on a really tall ladder while I was here by myself. So, and then today we're also gonna try, I'm gonna come in through here. And let me see, it's kind of dark over here. It's always dark over here. But this is the family room. This dark wood has gotta go. We are going to whitewash all of that. And then I have a green. It's a little bit deeper than that on the wall. But both of the greens are kind of in the same color family on the color cards and Benjamin Moore, but that's what we're gonna do. And eventually I'm thinking with that stone wall, I'm thinking about like whitewashing it or liming it to make it brighter in here, because there's only one window over there. That's it. So anyway, that's it. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later so you can see how I'm doing. Hey guys, here's the progress. I think it's coming along nicely. It's definitely darker, but the room is so bright. Yes, Lauren, we can see you. Okay. I don't think I think the green is brighter in reality than what's showing on my screen, but what are you gonna do? But I like the way it's turning out.
Oh yeah, all of that done.
No, I just wanted to make sure this wasn't the second. Okay guys, it's done. So I'm going to turn around. So I really like the way it turned out. I think the Christmas tree in particular, since it's black, white, and gold, looks much better against the green. And we took the plastic off the windows. And we figured out how to close that door. My sister did, because it wouldn't stay shut. So now I'm going to start whitewashing, or priming, I guess you would say, the beams in the family room, because it's very dark over here and that needs to change. Meanwhile, we put the other Christmas tree in the study for right now. Okay guys, here's a partway video. I have done half the room. This is the first coat. This wood is drinking this kills. So I'm starting the second coat now. Hopefully I don't have to do a third, but it looks very different already. And I'm sure once I start putting the paint color on, I think it'll seal it nicely. So I'll check with you guys later. guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back. So this is day, how many days I've been working on this? I guess day 3 in the family room. So I have half the ceiling, well, I guess the shiplap painted. As you can see, I redid the stone surround with the fireplace. I used Annie Sloan's chalk paint. The color I used was Old White. And so right now I'm going to, now that I've primed the beams, I'm going to give them one coat of a Valspar. It's called December Starlight. I did it in semi-gloss, and I'm gonna paint the ones that I've done. And then that was the test color for up there, but I don't think it's gonna work, especially with the green that I have over there. As my sister put it, the breakfast room, that green is cheerful, and this one looks, did you say obnoxiously happy?
Is this someone who's obnoxiously happy?
Yeah. And my sister's like, we all know that one person. So I don't think it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Spots, which is where I got the paint. And I'm going to get, do you think maybe I should start off with some samplers. So I'm going to go to the card that had grassy fields on it. And the color above that is cedar green or cedar woods, and the color above that is Arcadia green. So I'm going to try one of those two colors to see how they look before I start painting that. So I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, it's 10 after 10 or 11 after 10, and I'm finished as far as I'm going to get tonight. So as you can see, I primed the kitchen window, and I just realized I forgot the little strip at the bottom. I guess I'll get that tomorrow. I got some paint on the glass I gotta clean off, because quite frankly I was just too lazy to tape, but it comes off easily enough. Let me walk you through to see the family room. Oh, I got paint on my face. So I finished priming everything. Actually, you know, let me flip the camera around. Okay guys, so as you can see, I finished priming all the rest of the beams and the wood paneling. So, and I primed the window over there. And so it's looking, well, I mean, everything's white right now. So I've decided on the color. It's not going to be that green there. That's a little too lurid for what I had in mind. Especially given the fact that I've refinished the fireplace. So what I'm going to do is in the kitchen, I'm going to put up removable wallpaper. It's by Scott Living. I got it from Lowe's. And so that green actually does match the color that's in the breakfast room. And I've decided to paint this particular room Arcadia green. Let me see if I can find the swatch. Yeah, I found it. Oh, actually, it's not called Arcadia green. It's called cedar green. So I have to do cedar green in the family room. So I'm going to put this wallpaper on this entire back wall, which extends into the family room. So I'm going to extend the wallpaper through there, and then I'm going to paint this wall cedar green, the paneling that forms the peak, and pretty much that's it. So I went a little bit darker, especially seeing how there's so much white, and I'll also paint this cedar green, and the beams are going to stay white. So I'm going to start on that first thing tomorrow, and I will let you know how it turns out.